Eric with the Kleen-Rite sales department, coming to you today to talk to you about one of our more popular kits that we offer. This is the KRK 2080. This is known as the high pressure weep gun kit that we have here for the bay. Over the years, we've been putting kits together because everybody kind of orders the same 6 or 7 parts all the time. So in order to make it easy for our customer, the sales department, and our warehouse, we've assembled some of these kits. The way we have these packaged, they're in a convenient sized box, so it doesn't take up much room in your back room, it doesn't take up much room in our warehouse, and it's easier for people just to grab them, put them on the truck, and ship them out. Each one of these kits will include a weep gun, which is the most popular one we have is the GUK 600W, which is the Kleen-Rite version. If for some reason there's an inventory shortage, sometimes it's substituted with a Suttner 1500 weep gun. Each kit will also include one Hamel galvanized flex wand in blue. This is the most popular color we got, so this is why we have the kits together set up this way. It is an 18-inch flexible wand, 1/4-inch male, 1/8-inch female on the other for the spray tips to go in. Each kit also includes a nozzle protector, the popular 2506 M2 spray tip that screws into the end of the wand, and also our ball bearing high pressure swivel, the SW0260. Inside this kit also includes a 15-foot single wire braided high pressure hose. Over the years, as we were putting these kits together, taking parts, the 15-foot seems to be the quote-unquote most popular one there. Again, no car wash is the same, so if you need an 18-footer or a 12-footer, you're gonna have to order the parts individually, but this kit comes with a 15-foot single wire braided high pressure hose. The high pressure hose kit, which is the KRK 2080, is located in catalog 64 on page 370. You can place that order on the website by putting that part number in. You can place that on the phone or you can send it into the fax. But that's one part number that's going to give you all those parts to get you on your way and back to your office.
Kleen-Rite.